Let's talk about infant CPR. Infant CPR is one of those things that nobody wants to do. You hope you never have to do. However, you need to be ready in case you have to perform and save a life. Okay, with infant CPR, infants generally don't die from heart attacks or strokes like an adult does. Infants generally die from an accident, a choking, possibly even a drowning. Okay. Let's talk about the three methods that you can give CPR compressions on an infant. Okay, for once, you want them on a hard surface. Let's try with the 2-finger method. Now, it doesn't matter which fingers you're going to use, whether your middle and your index or your ring and your middle. However, you do want to find the center of the chest, usually lines up with the armpit here area, here on this infant. And we're going to press down 1.5 inches in depth at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions a minute. Now we could use the heel of our palm. By using the heel of our palm, we're facing towards the baby's face and we're pressing down. Same thing, 1.5 inches in depth at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions a minute. Now, if I was to do 2-person or 2-rescuer CPR on the infant, I would use the 2-thumb method. The 2-thumb method, I wrap my hand around the baby's torso with using my 2 thumbs. I'm going to press down hard, fast at a rate of 100 to 120 a minute, still 1.5 inches in depth.